High heel care and maintenance secrets. High heels are more than just footwear. They're confidence boosters, power statements, and style essentials. The importance of proper high heel care. Every time a heel touches the pavement, it's exposed to dust, moisture, pressure, and friction. Ignoring maintenance can lead to dull finish, loose straps, wobbly heels, or even irreparable damage. But when you care for your heels properly, you do three things. Protect your investment, whether it's a luxury pair or not. High heels aren't cheap. Proper maintenance saves you from frequent replacements. Improve comfort and safety. A well-maintained heel is less likely to cause slips, trips, or blisters. Deep cleaning techniques for every material. Cleaning your heels isn't just about wiping them down. Each material has its own secret. Leather heels. Leather is durable but needs moisture to prevent cracking. What you need: mild soap, soft cloth, leather conditioner. How to clean: dampen the cloth with warm water, add a bit of soap, and gently wipe the surface. Avoid soaking. Let it air dry, then apply leather conditioner to restore moisture and shine. Addressing common issues and how to fix them. Broken or loose straps. Temporary fix. Use super glue to reattach the strap if you're in a hurry. Permanent fix. Take the heel to a cobbler for stitching or strap replacement. If the leather around the strap hole is torn, it may need patching or reinforcement. Loose stitching. Solution. Use a needle and heavy-duty thread for minor repairs. Match the color to avoid obvious seams. If the area is delicate, let a cobbler reinforce the stitching to avoid further damage. Peeling insoles or linings. Solution. Use contact cement glue to press down and reseal the lining. Allow it to dry under pressure for several hours. Foul odor. Solution. Mix baking soda and a few drops of essential oil. Sprinkle it into the insole, leave overnight, and shake it out in the morning. You can also place dryer sheets or activated charcoal inside between wears. Your heels deserve the same attention you'd give your favorite bag or dress. But even clean and repaired shoes can deform or discolor without proper storage. Storage methods to keep your heels in perfect shape. How you store your heels affects their longevity just as much as how you wear them. Option 1. Original shoe boxes. They protect from dust and light. Label each box or add a photo for easy access. Option 2. Open shoe racks only if the area is free from dust and sunlight. Use shoe covers to protect from exposure. What to look out for when storing your heels. Avoid moisture and heat. Ideal temperature. Store your heels in a cool, dry place. Avoid bathrooms or attics where humidity can lead to mold or cracking. Rotate your collections. Wearing the same pair daily wears them out faster. Rotating your heels gives each pair time to breathe and recover. If a pair is seasonal, clean it thoroughly before storing it away for months. High heel care isn't complicated, it's just overlooked.